This is the richest man in the world, and you've never heard of him. He's even richer than Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos combined. But that's nothing compared to what I will tell you now. This guy is Lil Pump. His breakout single Gucci Gang peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100 and make him billions of dollars. In March 2018, Lil Pump signed a recording contract with Warner Brothers Records that included an $8 million advance. He reportedly earns about $150,000 per show. Collaborations with fashion brands and endorsement deals have contributed millions of dollars to his income. We're not finished yet. Lil Pump purchased a 5,000-square-foot waterfront mansion in Miami Beach for $4.6 million. His car collection includes models from Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Rolls-Royce. He owns an extensive collection of diamond-encrusted jewelry, including custom chains and rings. But here's the shocking part. Combining all these assets, his total net worth is over $12 million. Do you think he's richer than Elon Musk?